Alright, hey guys, ImTheMacHelper. This is a unboxing and first impressions video of the RAVPower portable SSD. I mainly bought this because I'm planning on making a lot more YouTube videos. I have hard disk drive, external hard drives, but my main one, which has all my YouTube stuff on it, is making odd noises. I'm still going to use it. It's a terabyte. I have two 1 terabyte drives, but it's making noises, and I know these don't make noises, and I think these will be more reliable. Anyway, I'm just going to unbox this. I took the plastic off, and there's this little thing you pull, I guess. Oh, cool. And so you have some paperwork, a little quick start guide. I could probably figure this out. And oh, this can be used on iPads. A little support thing, and then gee whiz Louise, this is it. This is small. This is like the size of maybe a large flash drive. Let's get to what else is in the box. So we also have this. There's a little portable baggie, and then I presume this is a cable. There's more. Oh yeah, cool. So there's a USB-C or Thunderbolt 3 to Thunderbolt 3, USB-C to USB-C, I'll just call it that, then a standard older USB to USB-C. So I could use this with my old MacBook or my new MacBook. A little comparison here. This is my iPhone. Gosh, that is small. It's hard to see because it's like reflecting. I'll have it like that, I guess. No, let's just put it like that. See the size comparison there? There's nothing on top. I don't think this is a screen. This is just for looks, and as you can see already, it's a fingerprint magnet. And then you got the sticker. I forget what they're called. That's all the stuff, and then RAVPower on the back. I'm probably gonna end up peeling this off just so it looks nice. Then on the bottom, there's a USB-C port for plugging it in. So I've returned from what I was doing, which was I used this hard drive to put some. It's currently empty now. I was just like, so this is my current hard drive, as you can see. So Western Digital, I forget what the name of it is. The My Passport. It's a hard disk drive. I got it like 2 years ago, and then one of my roommates had one, and he just gave it to me. So I have two of them. This is the one I use for all my Final Cut Pro stuff and other video stuff. And I'm hoping that this SSD that I just got. Oh, I also took the sticker off the back. I'm hoping that this SSD can essentially replace this, because this, I've noticed, is so much faster. It's faster to eject. It's faster when using it. So some size comparisons. So this is it side by side with my current hard drive. As you can see, it's that tall. This is that tall. And then a closer size comparison, which when I first picked this up, it reminded me I have an Apple TV 4K, and this is the remote for it. This looks and feels just like it. The back is metal, and the front is like this, like a glossy, and it's just a little bit smaller, which I think is awesome. So yeah, I put stuff on here, played around with it in Final Cut Pro. I deleted it all because I remembered a video idea that I had based off of a school project I had to do for one of my programming classes. So actually, with just like Western Digital has a similar service where you essentially have like apps that you can install on the hard drives. RAVPower has it's like an app. It's not really a bunch of services. Like here, you can use this as a backup. There's a bunch of like apps that you can use with this. This just has one feature. And I will get to that real quick right now. On the SSD, it's not going to be there now because I deleted everything that was on it, and I just erased it in disk utility. But there was a installer for an app. You could probably go online and type in whatever. If I can find this, I'll leave it in a link in the description. I already downloaded it, or yeah. So I put it in my utilities because I'm probably not going to use it, but I thought I would just show it for this video. It's called RAVPower, with the logo saying RAV SSD. Click on it. It's disconnected. It kind of tells you the storage of your SSD, which that shouldn't be there. Or I guess, oh, I need to remove this stuff from my computer trash, and that will go away. So safe mode, all data will be encrypted. When the lock function is enabled, you can only unlock and use SSD with the password you set. Let's try this. So I'll do, because I didn't really, as you can see. Okay, so if I type in the password, unlock, I guess it should pop up. Yeah, oops, I just unveiled all my movies. Oh no, I don't really care. So let me unplug this, or no, eject it first. Unplug it and plug it back in. See if that app pops up. Oh, that's cool. It says RAVPower encrypt, and then I type in the password, and then I guess you can press enter, and then it changes to SSD. I'm gonna disable this, but that is a really cool feature with this drive. That's about it for RAVPower, the Mac app for the solid state drive. So, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe. I went through my analytics and noticed that 99% of my viewers are not subscribed. So yeah, if you enjoy like unboxings, tutorials, that kind of thing, make sure to subscribe. I mean, I'm aiming to upload videos twice a week, possibly 3 times a week. This is a week where it'll be 3 times because this is an unboxing. I want to have like a tutorial one day and a little fun video another day. So, and I have a bunch of videos planned out, more in the back of my mind. So stay tuned, leave a like, as I said, subscribe. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.